everybody. Now I know this man sees me recording. Hey everybody, my name is Amina. This is my pup. She's eating. This is Basi. Basi. She eating, y'all. So can't get her focused. But I wanted to talk to you guys about me and my van and how I got here. I've had the van since June. Her name is Dolly. Dallas and Cali mixed together. I got her out in Texas, and it's been a journey. It's been an experience, and I would love to just show, Basi, you can't. She's gonna try to do what she gonna do. No, it's a dog coming. Basi, you distracting the people. Okay. Yeah. So I've had Dolly since June, before I got my pup, and I decided that I wanted to start a van life journey out there during the pandemic. I was like, what else can I do? How can I tap more into my freedom and, just shedding away the layers that we've been taught as success and abundance. Because I feel pretty abundant. Basi, bro. Hold on. Give me a second. She's learning. She's being trained. Basi. Sit. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. So my name is Amina. I'm from Los Angeles. We're here in Los Angeles. I'm not telling you no location. All right. So we're gonna go inside of my van, but before we go inside, we'll talk about the doors. So this is how I kind of protect myself, because when the light is on inside, if I didn't have these, you could see everything. I didn't know one time, and it just was shocking. I was like, damn, this whole time I've been getting dressed and thinking the tent worked. It didn't. And this is my trash can. I'm really proud of it. I drilled it in there. I think it's really innovative, And let's see. I'll take off my shoes. Basi, you tripping. You want to get out? I'm gonna get her out later. Just don't call Peter on me. Okay, these are my curtains I made. It's blackout. I had to glue. This was before I left Texas. I had to just work it out, and I actually really love them. And in theory, they're falling apart a little bit, but you just gotta fake it till you make it. All right, and this is my water jug. This is how I can wash stuff, clean myself, brush my teeth. Again, I've been out in LA, so actually I haven't had to do that. My family lives out here, so I've been taking showers and stuff at their houses. But when I was on the road, this is really what I use. But it's good. And I have this little stuff back here, this crowbar to keep the door open, because again, she's a little old. And what else? I guess can you come in here a little bit? I don't know if you can see. This is my fridge. I don't really have it on right now. It just has water in it and stuff. And this is my handy dandy solar panel that charges my battery. Is not charged at all. Again, because I'm not on the road right now, and I don't really need it right now. But when I do, I pop it out in the sun, charge it up, and she does me right. She wasn't cheap, so I ain't giving her away no time soon. All right, put that back, I guess. Okay, and this is all of Basi's. Okay, so Basi chewed up the wires to my fan. So I know how to put it back, but I just haven't, because again, I'm just chilling. But she did that. Y'all see she a little wild, so that's how that happened. Now clearly, this is the face of a guilty dog. Anyway, but this is her area. So she has her food, she has her comb and her leashes and her snacks and stuff. She's a pretty spoiled little bougie little German Shepherd who's pretty much going to outgrow this. So this is Basi's lair. She doesn't really sleep in it much, a little bit. She's starting to, okay, I'm not yet. She's starting to sleep in the front seat with me. Not with me, just starting to sleep in the front seat. I don't sleep in the front seat. Okay. And let's go up to my handy dandy chest. I got this out in Houston and I wanted to make it fun and I spray painted. Okay. Can you stop? I love you. Can you stop? Okay. Okay, this got a lot of stuff in it. But this is all my clothes. This is all my clothes. I had to minimize. She won't let me go. Okay. We're just gonna hold you. Basi, sit. Basi. Sit, girl. Sit. It's okay. All right. It's all right. So yeah, then I put mirrors in here. I can see myself when I want to see myself. Hold on my goods, on my good clothes and stuff. Okay, we're gonna close that. Basi, please. All right, take 1,000. Cause Basi be tripping. No, I'm joking. This is my plant. A plant. Got a couple articles of clothing. This is my sexy dress when I'm feeling a little frisky, you know, going out or something. I got this from Goodwill for $5 in Oregon. My dog is gonna break. No. $5 in Oregon. It got all my queens on it. You know, I love it. I could sit on it. Boom. Meditate. All that good stuff. So yeah. Put right in. This is me realizing Basi is bad as hell and she's trying to break my van. This is just like a miscellaneous little thing. Got batteries, got my first aid kit, got a couple pairs of sandals in there, Basi's thing to clean her off. Got a flashlight. I took out the batteries. Why? A couple things. Oh, gotta put that back. Oh, this is the other part of the fan that Basi. But the fan, I did it myself. Look at this. This is my proud possession. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, disclaimer, my homeboy Quentin helped me out. I did the finishing touches. He also helped me with my bed. He basically built the bed, but we did it together. Teamwork. Y'all have no idea. It was like 100 degrees in Dallas, and I did that shit. Okay, all right. And this is where the magic happens. The magic being sleep. That's my favorite thing. And this is a full-size memory foam mattress. And I literally, like, being at home, people ask me, like, oh, you want to stay at my house? Like, you don't have to stay in the van. And I'm like, your house got a memory foam mattress for me by myself? Does it? No? Okay, I'm gonna stay in the van. That's what's up. Yeah, so I go like this. I can sleep like this, or I can sleep like that, or I sleep like this. I got my outside clothes on, sorry y'all. Or I sleep like this and open up and see the pretty things. Yeah, this bed is pretty damn legit. This is another little thing. Me and my homeboy, we did the walls. They not complete, you know, but that's life. One step at a time. But this is another thing I'm proud of, and I'm low-key sad because I helped my cousin move into her place, and she put her bed in and broke my shit. So don't tell people. You can tell people you got a van, but just say no. And they ask you to transfer. It's not a cargo van anymore. It's my house. So, you know, fuck me up. You live and you learn. And yeah, this is where I have my journals, books, my my oracle deck. Don't tell my mom. She thinks I do voodoo. uh, and good old burning incense. Okay, that's okay. Don't do that. And where, you know, I have my incense. No incense are in there, but oh, here's the stuff. I got my sage, and this is my burning oil, Basi's treats, which he needs right now. Camera is down. I got this, y'all. We're gonna have a moment of like a moment for everything. Yeah, so that's this area. Again, I wasn't able to do the whole storage and all of that stuff, so I have a lot of stuff just kind of poked in between these things. Oh, this is also my sanitary station. I got to have things to clean shit with, you know. You don't want to be dirty in a van. If you dirty in a van, you dirty everywhere else. And I guess this is a question that a lot of people have for a bunch of van lifers, like how to use the bathroom. I don't poop in my van. It just doesn't happen. But I do sometimes. My bladder is a little weak. I have to pee. And this is where I do it. I'm not going to open it up because I just don't want to. But this is where I do it. Just got a bucket. You let it out. Close it back up. And then once you get, you know, somewhere, you could just pour it out in the toilet, or you can just pour it out in some grass, some fertilizer. Y'all might think that's gross. I don't care. Okay. Oh, my dog is turning up. I wonder, are you gonna hear mostly that? Hopefully not. But yes. So that's no, that's not everything. So underneath is a little storage. Don't get my toes. Don't get my toes. Just a little miscellaneous. Oh, this is your bag. This is, you know, some shoes. This is where I keep all my little knickknacks. Oh no, this is kind of like all my, what is it called? Hygienic stuff. So some deodorant, some my lady stuff, some shoes down there. Yeah. And that's it. But I guess I could take you guys around the back so you could see it how it is from the back. Yeah. Basi wanted to make another appearance. I think the whole video is going to be about her. Okay. So this is, okay. Again, you know, y'all know she old, so everything is rigged. I cannot open the van from the outside, which is good for predators. Think you about to open up some stuff. I got to get my stuff ready. Okay. All right. So this is gonna swing open. You got it? Oh no, it's not. Okay. So this is the other side. I got my water. In case you guys didn't know, this is also my apocalypse fan. Just in case. Hopefully apocalypse doesn't happen, but just in case, I got my waters. I got some weapons. Yeah, got a good old machete in case I want to get real Haitian on them. And yeah, but this is just a bit of storage. Another part I'm a little proud of. It has no purpose, but I did this myself. I did a lot of stuff of this myself, you know, and it really has taught me like self-reliance and innovation and, you know, making do. And it's also, as being a woman, learning. You're loud. Being a woman and like figuring out kind of how to do these things yourself, you know, I feel good about it. It makes you really proud for, even if it's not perfect, it makes you feel accomplished is the word. These are my blackout curtains from Walmart. They're a little dirty on one side, but they for sure block out everything. And yeah, this is my bed. And I'm just gonna give you a nice little walk around to finish this up. This is the moment I realized I fucked up. Oh, nobody told me to stay down. Okay, we're gonna close this up. Ugh. This is Dolly. Come around. Dolly is an 8-cylinder. She's a big bitch, I call her. A big bitch. She takes a lot of gas, so that's a bitch too. This is everything. She has new tires. She's got me from Texas to Oregon, all the way down. She's reliable, and I love her, and I'm thankful for her, and I love you guys. So, see ya.